Hi, Saheena, and I study in grade 8 from Imperial World School, and today I'll be explaining about the median of a data through a small activity. So first, we're going to start by finding the median when an odd data set is given. So we know that this is an odd data set because it has 3 numbers. If it had 4 numbers, it would have been an even data set. So the first thing we do to find the median of the data is we arrange these in ascending or descending order. Okay, so now I have arranged these in ascending order, so which lies in the middle of the data. If you guessed 3, yes, you are correct. And in which position does 3 lies in? Second position. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. So we can write it as 3 and add 1 divided by 2, which is 3 plus 1 by 2 is 4 by 2, which is 2. And this is second position. So we can take it as 3. So our median of this data is 3. So now I'll show you another example by taking another odd data set. So now we're going to arrange these in ascending order. So which lies in the middle of this data? 68. And which position it lies in? First, second, third. How many terms of data are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 6 by 2, and the answer is 3. So our median lies in the third position, 1, 2, 3. So our median is 68. So we found out that the formula to calculate the median is n plus 1 by 2 term. So now we're going to find the median of the data when an even data set is given. So I have 4 cards placed in front of me, and now I'm going to find the median of this data. So as you can see, there is this part in the middle right here is dividing these data into 2 parts, which means we have to find the average of 81 and 91. So 81 plus 91 divide 2 is 172 by 2, which means 86. So our median of this data is 86. So I hope this video was useful and you guys understood something from it. So thank you.